In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Overlay Highlight tool. First, go to the spot on the timeline where you want your highlight to appear. Click Tools, select Overlay, and then the Highlight option, or you can press the O key and then the H key. You can drag and resize the overlay to position it over the part of the recording you want to highlight. You can also fine-tune the position by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, then using the arrow keys to nudge the highlight around the video. You can choose to zoom or magnify the highlighted area with the Add Zoom button. Drag the corners to expand the section, and then drag to reposition if necessary. If you want to remove the zoom so you can readjust the highlighted area, just hit Remove Zoom. Click on Style to set some style properties to your overlay highlight. You can choose the color of the non-highlighted area. You can choose the opacity of the non-highlighted area, or if you want to apply a blur to it. You can choose the shape of your highlight, and if you want to add a shadow to it. You can reuse style settings by clicking this button. It will show previous styles you used, so you can easily switch back to a particular style combination. By default, the overlay will have a transition to fade in and out. You can edit the transition by clicking on these buttons. You have the option to fade, pop, or have no transition. Choose the section of the video your overlay appears by dragging these bars over the timeline to select the start and end point. You can preview the overlay by clicking the Preview button here. Once you are ready, press the OK button or the Enter key. After the overlay outline is added to your video, a colored span will show on your timeline to indicate the placement of this overlay. You can edit the overlay by clicking on this spot on the timeline. Click this icon, and you will be brought back to the overlay controls. Or you can remove the overlay by clicking this icon. To get details on how to animate this overlay, check out our other tutorial, Animating a Zoom. Or you can visit our other tutorials for more.